मैं हूं गुंजन पंत और आप लोगों को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए भोजपुरिया मुंबई संगम।
अदिति, आपके लुक के बारे में कुछ बताइए हमारी ऑडियंस को। जैसे हमने देखा कि क्वीन लग रही है आप, पोस्टर भी बाहर लगे, हमने टीजर भी देखा, थोड़ा सा अगर उस बारे में बताया फर्स्ट लुक में जो हमने देखा।
So the first look that you have actually seen right now, which has been revealed by Naren sir, it's all his actually visualization behind what the character actually is. As he's speaking about the women empowerment, so he means that, you know, a woman who is actually the queen, just not of this world, but of the entire universe. So imagine how magnificent that queen is going to be and what kind of power she would possess.
First, thanks for the being here. Crown is entirely something that I've been working for the past 10 years. And this is the day which I want to reveal the universe that I've been working on for the past 10 years, which has consists of 3 universes, and this will be the first universe which carries Crown. So Crown will be dealing the entire woman empowerment within the superhero, and also it leads to the standards of cinematic visual, which I'm keeping it as the goal. So that's the entire ideation behind Crown. Evilness can be only handled by a greater evil, never a good. So evil can be good if they become more evil. That's the line.
ओके एंड सर, आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा सर, थोड़ा सा बताइए फिल्म के बारे में और कैसे ऑन बोर्ड आए, और जैसे हमने देखा बहुत लेविश लग रहा है जो फर्स्ट लुक था, तो उसके ऊपर कितनी मेहनत की गई, और थोड़ा सा बताइए किस तरह से आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं इस फिल्म को लेकर। अभी शूट भी बहुत ही जल्दी शुरू होने वाला है।
I'll start with?
Yeah.
When first I met Naren like 2.5 years ago, when he pitched up with this plot, and when we started working and we started association, I can understand what is the vision he had and what is the mileage it can run through, and what are the scales we can achieve with this project. So that is when we have associated and started with all sort of pre-production works, and we have done with several market studies and stuff. The moment we have like opened up post the COVID situation and stuff, we have joined hands with Abhay sir, who is like pioneer in this field and helped us in many ways, and we have partnered with him. From there he has started this as his own project, and he started running for us.
अभी जब आ रहा था मैंने पोस्टर देखा है, मेरा आपका जो लुक है एंजेलिना जोली जैसे दिख रहा है मुझे, और आप जो पोस्टर है भी उसी तरह लग रहा है लारा क्रॉफ्ट की जैसा, तो कुछ वहाँ से इंस्पायर हुआ है?
I think sir would say this.
Maybe since you loved Angelina Jolie, maybe she's looking like Angelina Jolie. But since you brought Lara Croft, everyone grew up or in their journey of cinema, we have enjoyed Lara Croft. So I'm happy that you're comparing my film with already existed in the market and the top. So I feel honored.
डायरेक्टर से जानना चाहेंगे, आजकल जो फिल्में हैं ज़्यादातर कंगना की मूवी आ रही है, मल्लिका शेरावत की आ रही है, एक आपकी मूवी आने वाली है, तो सबको लेकर एक जैसी फिल्में आ रही हैं। जो बात करें पोस्टर की, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
He's talking about woman oriented films that are coming up. So what do you want to say?
Kangana has been doing, Mallika Sherawat is doing a film.
Even unique about this project, or you want me to compare with them?
Compare
Compare with them.
Yeah, 3 movies.
So you're trying to bring me into Bollywood and trash me out? Actually, I'm a big fan of Kangana, Mallika Sherawat, and whoever doing woman-oriented movies, because which I strongly feel we have already spent years in watching heroes, and heroines just a part of it. But I took a conscious decision that industry has to be equal, never beyond, because I strongly believe men and women are equal. So that's the reason I've taken my path. Because this Crown is not only one film, it's a multiple series and multiple universe attached to it, and everything are stitched within woman based concepts, and male will be boosting up these women's in the screen. So that's the ultimate goal of my films in upcoming series. So Crown will be exploring 17 timelines, which includes from 2018, which is a center point, and it also travels up to beyond nearly 500 AD. In future, we will go up to 100. So 17 timelines within this scale. And also, if you look at one of the posters, you can see she's battling between robots.
Yeah.
So we are specifically and precisely to give the audience an experience on how a proper superhero and robots can be merged together, because the greater warriors are not within or beyond. It's what we are thinking. We are warrior, we are warrior. If we are loser, we are loser. So that kind of experience you will get from each characters or each travel within the entire timeline.
So any inspiration has been taken, you have taken for this movie, like from Hollywood or from anywhere else, any inspiration as a director?
So the life itself is inspiration, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
So movies are also inspiring and real stories are also inspiring. But here Crown will be handling Indian rooted history with global incidents. So it's proper Indian story. You can proudly say this film is an Indian product and first Indian superwoman, you can say. Or let me correct, because I told Indian woman, so remove super. Indian women are always super.
And also, any other character will join?
Definitely, sir. In upcoming events, we will definitely reveal each characters, because this crown consists of 8 superheroes.
अदिति, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर?
Sir,
पोस्ट में आप ही दिख रहे हैं पूरा, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि like I'm sure how you people are blown away after listening to Naren sir. I was blown away then, I'm blown away now, and I hope I'm not blown away in future, because I want to work there and
As a team, we will capture you.
so this project is so as I've already said, is so magnum and it's so huge, and there are so many details in it that it will take us a good amount of zeal to put in, to actually showcase what is his vision. And I'm more than grateful to have this opportunity that I can showcase myself as the crown.
Aditi, my question to you is like how you have been approached for this film and what kind of preparation work you are doing for this?
Okay, so first of all, I believe that destiny is a thing, because I was in my car and I was driving, and suddenly I get a call from Ravi Ji's casting agency, and he did mention the project to me. Because the project seemed so magnum, I could not actually understand or believe that it's true. So it took me quite a while to actually get back to him, and then I had a talk with Naren sir, then I had a talk with the entire team, and I was sure about it, and I could absorb what you people are still absorbing, and then we did have a photo shoot, in which it was just not a photo shoot, but was also, I would say, a screen test, and I got to know later. And it got approved, and now I'm a part of this project, and I'm more than happy, and I feel really, really, really blessed.
Sir, as a casting director, थोड़ा सा बताइए फिल्म के बारे में, कितना चैलेंजिंग था आपके लिए for perfect the crown queen को ढूंढना आपके लिए?
सर चैलेंज तो था, लेकिन हीरे की तरफ जो है वो जौहरी जाता है, तो हीरा तो मैंने दे दिया इनको, अब आगे
रास्ता उनका काम है।
सर थोड़ा सा बताइए उनके साथ किस तरह का बॉन्डिंग था आपके, और कैसे ऑन बोर्ड आया उस बारे में?
मैं काफ़ी टाइम से अदिति को जानता था, लेकिन बात पहली बार हुई कुछ टाइम पहले प्रोजेक्ट को लेके, और जैसे ही प्रोजेक्ट समझाया उनको, तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझा, और जिस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स दिया वो समझी कि टेक्नोलॉजी क्या है, कैसे हम कर रहे हैं, और चीज़ें फिर खुद स्मूथ होती गई, कोई हमको कुछ करना नहीं पड़ा उसके बाद।
राइट मैम, आप खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दीजिए, और क्या बेस्ट विशेस होगी क्राउन के लिए?
वेल, आई एम एन एक्टर, एंड DYT को मैं इसलिए जानती हूँ क्योंकि रवि आहूजा, हु इज़ द casting director and the co-producer, is looking after my work. The DYT handles me. So मैं यहाँ पे पूरी टीम को चेयर करने के लिए हूँ, and that's about it. You can look on the net the kind of films I have done. My full name is Sonia Kohli. I'm from Calcutta, and I've done regional films so far as an actress, Assamese and Bengali film. I basically work with Ashok Vishwanathan, who is the film director and the dean at Satyajit Ray Film Institute. So he's the one I started my career with. Ravi Ahuja is very important to me because it's very important कि आपके he believes in my talent and they are looking after my work. So I'm here to cheer the whole team, and I wish so much luck and success to this film because Ravi is also associated with it, and of course there are new people whom I'm getting to know today. So I wish them all the best. जो मैंने सुना कि the film is जो जिस लेवल पे जा रही है और जिस टाइप है, सो आई एम ऑल्सो हैप्पी कि इंडिया में इस टाइप की फिल्म्स बन रही हैं और इस टाइप का टैलेंट है, एंड शी इज सो प्रिटी. आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट.